Hello, all creative content creators. In this short video tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a smooth zoom effect to any videos in Premiere Pro, as you can see. So, let's start. Now, we are inside Premiere Pro. Here, you can see, I have already got a video footage. At this point, I am going to add a smooth zoom effect. Now, move over to the Effects panel to add an effect. This is a transform effect. Now, drag and drop this transform effect to the video layer. Next, move over to the Effect Controls panel. Now, from the transform effect, click on this stopwatch icon to enable the keyframe of the scale. And now, move the playhead 20 frames forward. You can take more frames. And here, I'm going to make the scale value around 140. It has almost been done. Let's preview the zoom effect. You can see, this is not a perfectly smooth zoom effect. But I wanted to make this more smooth. Select the last keyframe. And, right-click on this keyframe. And, select Ease In. Again, select the first keyframe. And, right-click on this keyframe. And, select Ease Out. Now we are done. Let's preview the zoom effect. Now, you can see that this is a perfect smooth zoom effect. In this way, you can add a smooth zoom effect to any video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.